guys, I'm gonna sing a song called by somebody named AZ. I think it's AHZIE. And it's called Daddy I Need You. And if I don't see the lyrics right here, Alright, I'm just gonna turn on the song and I'll probably know it because I listen to it, so I just sing the parts. And if you don't have anything, I just don't know. In my life day to day, understand a definition of a man. Now to lift me up when I'm down, and I can be. I need you, my part. Won't you stay around? Daddy, won't you be my father? Won't you be my father? You need to think about the world. Confused with how you see when I need you. Understand the definition of a man. Cause I'm around to lift me up when I'm down, when I'm not complete. I need you. Won't you stay around? Daddy, won't you? Say to you, it's that I miss you. Miss you, holiday, miss you. Daddy, every day, every way. Daddy, I miss you, I miss you. Daddy, won't you stay? My father, for now, Daddy. Daddy, won't you stay? Right now, Daddy. Won't you stay? My father, right now. Daddy, won't you stay? My father, right now. Daddy, won't you stay? So this is for Kaya and people who don't have their fathers. So there's something about Baby Taylor that I like it so much. Now they're up in heaven, now they're up in heaven. Oh, that poor man. Man, he must have been hurt. She thinks he's a little baby. I just thought I started with all baby Gary. But baby Caddy, that's my name. Well, mama. So I don't know what about this. And what I am is this video.
Hi, it's baby Kaylee, and I just want to talk about the kid that Sandy Hook. I am so sad about what happened to them. Now they're up in heaven.
Now they're up in heaven. Now they're up in heaven. Heaven. Now they're up in heaven. Now they're up in heaven. Now they're up in heaven. Heaven. In heaven. Heaven. Now they're up in heaven. 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 This song makes me cry. I can't listen to it again. So sad. Just killed them. Like, they're gone. They're not coming back. Now the things I look at it and my kid is 6, 7 years when he died. So at least there's like my cousin, at least my cousin made it to 10. He died when he was 10. It's not like that's so horrible. And these little kill you. I'm happy because I'm not able to hell. Gosh. Like, what are we doing to a little kid? So give the kid so because I was waiting for him to die to go. Gosh. Alright, now really sad. Sorry.